Opisyal nang nagbukas nitong weekend sa Assumption, Antipolo ang 55th season ng All-Women Tri-Level League sa bansa na Women's National Collegiate Athletics Association o WNCAA. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclanes.
Umarangkada na ang 55th season ng Women's National Collegiate Athletics Association o WNCAA na nagsagawa ng kanilang opening ceremony noong Sabado sa Assumption, Antipolo. Dito nagtipon-tipon ang mga student athletes na taas noong ibabandera ang kulay at tatak ng kanilang mga paaralan sa 13 palakasan. Sa kanyang talumpati, binigyang diin ni Assumption Antipolo School Director Marie Grace Magtaas ang kahalagahan ng WNCAA upang patuloy na maitaguyod ang women in sports.
This year's theme, Championing and Empowering Women in Sports, reminds us of the importance of advocating for gender equality and giving young women the opportunities they deserve. Through sports, our athletes learn the values of hard work, teamwork, discipline, resilience, and leadership. And these lessons go beyond the game and shape them into the role models and leaders in their communities.
Nagsilbi naman bilang guest of honor sa opening rites ang Manager for Operations and Business Development ng PBA na si Rosel Fabi Teotico.
You need to turn deaf ears to what people say that you can't do.
Surpresa ring nagpaabot ng isang video message ang two-time Olympian Filipina golfer at Assumption Antipolo alumna na si Bianca Pagdanganan.
You're held to a higher standard, which not only do you represent your teams, but also your respective universities. Yes, it's a lot of pressure, but remember that pressure is privilege. As we welcome a new season, I hope all of you remember to have fun, play hard, and take breaks as well. It's just as important as training. Let the games begin.
Samantala, buhay naman nung panalo ang naibulsa ng De La Salle Sobel Green Orchards sa volleyball matapos nilang dominahin ang host school Assumption Antipolo Amazons 25-8 at 25-19. Daryl Oclanes para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.